नमस्ते। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर रितेश शर्मा है and I am a radiation oncologist. I am a senior consultant radiation oncology department in Batra Hospital and Medical Research Center. I have an experience of around 15 years post MD, and we have a very good unit in Batra Hospital for radiation oncology services. It is one of the oldest hospital which has been giving cancer care along with radiation therapy to lakhs and lakhs of patients, and since 1987 we have been treating patients. So we have 2-3 types of services in radiation oncology which we offer to our patients. Out of these, we can divide them into two parts. One is the external radiotherapy and one is the internal radiotherapy. The internal radiotherapy is called brachytherapy, which we will discuss later on. The external radiotherapy is delivered by the machine which is called linear accelerator. Initially, in multiple years ago, there was no linear accelerator. That was the time when we used to treat on cobalt. But now we have the very advanced, high technology linear accelerators, which are very good in treating tumors, even with the moving tumors, even very precise areas which we need to treat. And we can give very high precision radiation without the conventional side effects which used to happen many years ago. So this I would like to elaborate. सो एक्सटर्नल बीम रेडियोथेरेपी और जो नॉर्मल रेडियोथेरेपी या हिंदी में हम इसको सिकाई या लेज़र या लाइट टेक्निक भी बोलते हैं, जो पेशेंट्स अलग अलग प्रांत से आते हैं उनके लिए विल एक्सप्लेन. सो एक्सटर्नल रेडियोथेरेपी इट हैपन्स इन 2-3 पार्ट्स. सो फर्स्ट इज द कन्वेंशनल रेडियोथेरेपी. कन्वेंशनल रेडियोथेरेपी यानी कि जो नॉर्मल एक डोज स्पेसिफाई करते हैं एवरी डे फॉर फ्यू डेज. सो इट इज़ अप टू 6 weeks or 7 weeks, 2 gray per fraction. So it is a fixed amount of dose per day which is given to most of the patients who undergo surgery or who are not undergoing surgery. This is for the curative dose. So in this technique, in this conventional fractionation, we have the techniques which is called IGRT, IMRT, SRT, 3D CRT and palliative technique. So and VMAT. So we will explain them. So VMAT is the moving of the linear accelerator continuously. It moves just like a hand of the clock. Continuously it moves and gives radiation by VMAT, the volumetric R technique. So it moves like this and the treatment is delivered while moving. Otherwise it is not delivered while moving. It takes long time. Then IGRT, image guided radiotherapy, which is all the treatment which we are doing very high precision. We have to make sure that we are treating in the right area. The process is done absolutely perfect. So we do have a CT scanner on our linear accelerator which helps in taking images and guiding us for IGRT, which is image guided radiotherapy, and we are delivering the treatment, not only planning the treatment in the perfect position but delivering also is the same perfect position. Then we have IMRT, which is intensity modulated radiotherapy, which is focusing of the beams in such a way that where you require to give more dose will be given. Where you require to give lesser dose will be given. And normal organs and other organs which are not meant to receive radiation are spared to the maximum. Then we have a technique which is called 3D CRT, which is less conformal, means the precision is less. The side effects to the other organs are little bit more. Then we have palliative treatment, which is in case there is a bone metastasis or brain metastasis. Palliation means easing of the symptoms, patient को तकलीफ से आराम दिलाने के लिए. तो palliative radiation also we do. Then we have a special technique which is called respiratory gating. Respiratory gating means कि breathe along with the breathing, यानी सांस के साथ जो भी moving tumor या moving organ है उसको सांस की मूवमेंट के साथ में ट्रीट करना या सांस रोक के ट्रीट करना, तो ताकि सांस का जो इफेक्ट है, द ब्रीदिंग मूवमेंट्स आर नलिफाइड, जो सांस का इफेक्ट है वो हट जाए वहाँ से, और जो ट्रीटमेंट है, जो ट्यूमर एरिया है, वो बिल्कुल सही पोजीशन में ट्रीट हो. अदरवाइज अगर वो मूव कर रहा है तो हो सकता है वो सही ट्रीट ना करो. तो इसको रेस्पिरेटरी गेटिंग कहते हैं, विच ऑल्सो वी डू. एंड रेस्पिरेटरी गेटिंग इज डन इन मल्टीपल केसेस, जस्ट लाइक कार्सिनोमा ब्रेस्ट लेफ्ट साइड. राइट साइड में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है बिकॉज राइट साइड में हार्ट नहीं है. लेफ्ट साइड में हार्ट को बचाने के लिए रेस्पिरेटरी गेटिंग करते हैं. प्लस कार्सिनोमा लंग के कुछ केसेस जहाँ पे मूवमेंट ज़्यादा है ट्यूमर का, वहाँ पे भी वी डू रेस्पिरेटरी गेटिंग. ऑल्सो समटाइम्स एब्डोमिनल ऑर्गन्स जहाँ पे पेनक्रियाज है या कोई नोड है, कोई चीज़ हमको ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्रीदिंग मूवमेंट द मूवमेंट इज मोर, उसमें भी हम रेस्पिरेटरी गेटिंग यूज कर सकते हैं. Then there is a other conventional therapy which is called stereotactic radiotherapy, SRT. In SRT, we use in treating fine small tumors which are in brain or in pituitary or somewhere else in the body, where you have to give conventional fractionation. That means every day small dose is given for radiation, but it has to be very precise, more precise than the normal IGRT. There we use SRT, which is called stereotactic radiotherapy, where you have a precise location, localization, precise planning and the delivery with minimum margins so that there is no side effect to the any adjacent organ. These are the conventional forms of therapy. Then we come to special therapies which are called high dose therapies or ablative therapies. Means कि disease अगर metastatic है वहाँ पे उसको burn करने के लिए और वहीं बिना सर्जरी किए, बिना उसको रिमूव किए, because sometimes the patient may not be feasible to take up for surgery or medically unfit, then we treat the tumor with very high dose, which is called stereotactic ablative radiotherapy or SBRT, stereotactic body radiotherapy. The dose is very high, more than 3-4 times than the normal dose every day, and it is given in 3 to 5 fractions or maybe 6-7 fractions. So SBRT is done in multiple areas. Just like when you have a disease which is spread, you have a cancer which is spread to the normal organs, just like spine, vertebra or ribs, any bony site where you are having lot of pain or there is a compression on your cord, जो spinal cord है, जो मेरुदंड है पीछे, spinal cord compression हो रहा है, दबाव पड़ रहा है और सर्जरी हो नहीं सकती, patient is unfit, then you give high dose radiation which kills the cells there itself and is equivalent to surgical removal. Although in this removal is not there, but the response is very good that the tumor shrinks completely. This is also done in brain where we call it as fractionated stereotactic radiosurgery. Means stereotactic radiosurgery is highest conformal form of therapy. Fractionated means उसी को हम थोड़ा सा तोड़ के देते हैं. So around 3 or 5 fractions or 6 fractions treatment which we do where the disease has gone to the brain. So, and in this, in many cases, more than 50-60% cases, we have observed that the disease has gone away or has reduced to much extent or has stabilized. Only in few cases we have seen that the disease, in less than maybe 10% cases, the disease, because it is multiple elsewhere, so failure can happen. Otherwise, this is a very, very effective form of therapy. So stereotactic body radiotherapy, in body it is called SBRT. When you do it in brain, it is called FSRS, fractionated stereotactic radiosurgery. These are the good form of therapies which we do. And also there is a disease which is called acoustic schwannoma, which is of the nerves, of the hearing nerves. In that also we are doing an FSRS where those patients are getting maximal benefit from the radiotherapy. And on the machine we have specific equipments which hold you in a specific position so that you don't move during the treatment, because patients may ask कि सर हमारा treatment सही हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा. So we make a cast, we make a tight cast so that the movement is absolutely nil during the treatment, and when you are checking the position of the patient, we find that the patient is perfectly aligned, and our machine, the TrueBeam with 6D couch, it has a 6D couch which makes the patient's treatment in all direction perfect. So if the patient is planned like this and today's position is like this, if he's moved, then our machine has a capability to move in 6 dimension and correct the position to the planned position so that the treatment is done perfectly. So, and then we move on to the next part of therapy, which is not external beam radiotherapy, but now it is called brachytherapy. Brachy means opposing, चिपका हुआ, एकदम पास. So brachytherapy means treating the tumor or tumor bearing area with contact of the radiation machine. In external beam radiotherapy, the machine is away from the body and the rays are coming and focusing. In brachytherapy, the machine is touching, or parts of the machine are touching the tumor beared area and are giving very high dose which are not possible by external radiotherapy. So what we offer in brachytherapy is patients who are having carcinoma cervix or carcinoma endometrium post-op, or in cervix also sometimes the patient is post-op. So we have ovoids, we have sorbo, we have ICRT. These are the services which we provide to our brachy patients. In brachytherapy, the treatment is mostly in addendum to the surgery or in addendum to the radiotherapy, which is done in CA cervix or in CA endometrium. Most of the times when it is done individually, only brachytherapy is done in some cases, whereas which are called early case CA endometrium. Then 2 to 3 fractions are sufficient. 3 fractions or 5 fractions are sufficient. When we are doing ICRT in case of carcinoma cervix, then 3 sessions of brachytherapy is sufficient. And when we are doing ovoids post CA cervix post-op, कार्सिनोमा सर्विक्स सर्जरी हो गई, बाद में हमने रेडिएशन दिया, उसके बाद में 2 सेशंस ऑफ ब्रेकीथेरेपी इज सफिशिएंट. So this is all the scope of radiation services which we are here and offering to all of you in Batra Hospital, and we have a very good equipment, high-tech equipment, best of class equipment. Plus we have a team which is very dedicated and has been working since many years and have up-to-date knowledge and very, very caring. And we all as a team plan and make the patient's plan, and treatment plan is executed in the perfect way. In case of any issue on the table, continuously we monitor, and we have a monitors upstairs also. When even if we are not there, someone has to check. We have a cross-checking mechanism that the patient was treated in the best position or not, and things can be corrected. So we have online, offline systems. We always check the patient's position. The doctors are here to check, counter-check. The technologists are here to check, counter-check. And only once everything is a green signal that everything is in perfect position, only then the radiation is delivered. So we make sure that the patients are treated in the perfect manner, the best manner, and we have a good technique, good team. The whole team is very experienced, and we are here to treat you in the best possible way. So we have a well-equipped department which all of us work as a team, and we are a whole experienced team. The technologists, the physicists, the doctors, we are here to make your treatment better, faster, more secure, more organized. As Batra Hospital Radiation Oncology team, we are here to serve you. Thank you.